He's back. Donald Trump takes oath as the 47th President of United States of America on the 20th of January. This would be the single biggest macroeconomic event for this calendar year, and the world is closely monitoring this. Get ready, the road ahead is bumpy. In this week's episode of The Week That Was, we're going to talk about how the markets are shaping up as the new administration takes charge. The Indian markets have been unsteady for some time, and that trend continues. Last week, the market swung back and forth, ending the week flat. For the month, however, both the Sensex and the Nifty 50 are down by 2.3%. Greater pain was felt in both the mid-cap and the small-cap space, where the indices were down more than 7%. Foreign investors have intensified their selling, pulling out over 44,000 crores so far this month. And remember, we still have 2 more weeks to go. In contrast, the US markets continue to rise, gaining about 2.3% this month. And this is not surprising given Trump's America First policies, which are boosting the confidence in the US markets. The inflation continues to be a concern in the US. The recent job market report in the US was pretty strong, which meant that more jobs were added in the economy and the unemployment levels were lower than what was expected or anticipated. A strong job market or a labor market means the demand for goods and inflation will remain high. Federal Reserve, which is the equivalent of RBI in the US, is unlikely to cut interest rate anytime soon. For foreign investors, the US markets are looking more attractive than emerging markets such as India. In India, the company earnings season has kicked off. However, so far it has been underwhelming. Consumption still remains weak and most sectors have underperformed. The only bright spot came from the IT sector. Infosys and TCS have raised their revenue guidance for the year, indicating that they expect their clients to spend more money on IT services. In conclusion, most global markets are feeling the jitters while the US market continue to soar on euphoria as the new Trump administration takes office. The next couple of weeks are critical and could set the tone for the rest of the calendar year. Stay tuned to The Week That Was, where we bring you all these updates. Standard disclaimers: views are personal. This is not investment advice. Always remember, investing in equity markets are subject to market risk. Please read all necessary documents before investing.